Could an international summit really be the cause of a political firestorm? The answer, as we're about to discover, is a resounding yes. Welcome to a dive into an intriguing piece of recent history, where diplomacy, international relations, and domestic politics become entangled in an unexpected way. Rewind the clock to early April 2024, when Zimbabwe's President Emmerson Mnangagwa found himself in the eye of a storm. The cause? His decision to attend the SADC Double Troika Summit, a decision that, as we'll see, had far-reaching consequences. Southern African Development Community, or SADC, is a key regional bloc. Double Troika Summit is a significant event, where the current, incoming, and outgoing chairs of SADC, along with representatives from the Organ on Politics, Defense, and Security Cooperation, convene to discuss pressing issues. Mnangagwa's decision to attend the summit, though seemingly routine, drew heavy fire from critics. The reason? A complex web of domestic and international politics. Critics accused him of neglecting urgent domestic issues, while others pointed out the shocking news that came out during the summit. The summit took a surprising turn when unexpected news broke out. Shockwaves ran through the diplomatic circles, causing ripples that are still felt today. While the exact nature of this shocking news remains classified, it's clear that it added fuel to the fire of Mnangagwa's critics. As the story unfolded, Mnangagwa found himself under increasing pressure. His decision to attend the summit, and the shocking news that emerged during it, became a double-edged sword. On one hand, it was a manifestation of Zimbabwe's active role in regional politics. On the other, it provided ammunition for his critics who questioned his leadership at home. To summarize, President Mnangagwa's decision to attend the SADC Double Troika Summit in April 2024 sparked controversy. Critics accused him of neglecting domestic issues in favor of international diplomacy. The situation was compounded by shocking yet unspecified news that came out during the summit. This event serves as a stark reminder of the intricate relationship between domestic and international politics, and how a leader's decisions can have unforeseen consequences. As we move forward, it's important to keep a keen eye on these developments. After all, history has a knack for repeating itself. And in the world of politics, understanding the past is key to predicting the future.